Alright people, today this is gonna be us, or me and Alex. Alex is here too. Say hi, Alex. Yeah, so we are going to make pop or soda, whatever you want to call it. So first, what you'll need is a cup with some spoons or whatever, of soda. Not like carbonated soda. So like club soda or whatever. Yeah, and then we'll need sugar. And then we'll need salt because that's in pop for some reason. And we'll also need pepper because we're gonna be making Dr. Pepper. And we need, this is optional. Food coloring is optional, but it still works. It's better. Okay, so first let's move the stuff that we'll need later out of the way. So first though, take a spoon out. We need club soda or whatever, just carbonated water, and you need to open it and then pour it into the cup about halfway full. We can add more later if it's not enough. Just pour it halfway full. About. Okay, there we go. Make sure, well, you're gonna have to act kind of fast because it is carbonated and you don't want flat soda. Okay, now we need the sugar. And we're gonna use your spoon, and we're gonna put it into the sugar and take about 3 spoonfuls of sugar. 1, 2, yeah, okay, now we need to stir it all up. This is probably gonna be a voiceover since Alex is laughing. It's like making angry noises. Well, you might not be able to hear it, but it is making hissing noises. That's normal. That's alright. It's just angry at you. Stir it in. Because I don't know if you noticed, but club soda doesn't really have sugar in it, which is bad. You need sugar. So stir it all the way until it's completely mixed in and there's no little particles of sugar left. Alright, so that's about good. That's about good. So now we need salt, as you can see. This is actually an ingredient in pop. So we need, I don't actually know how much we're gonna put in.
This is a joke. Why do you not know how much to put in? This is a joke, right?
So let's put about like a spoonful. Let's try to do this over this. It won't come out. Alright, come out. No, come on. Don't be shy. As you can see, it's very shy right now. Whatever. Okay, that will go in. Oh, yeah, just unscrew the lid. Just unscrew the lid. Pour a bit on. Not too much. Yeah, it's just not too much. Oh yeah. You should probably just do that.
Man, those darn Gen Ys, am I right? Like,
you should probably just do that. So, take a spoonful or something. Not quite a spoonful, but just kind of sprinkle it in. Right.
That's not exactly quite a spoonful. That's just a tiny bit.
Yeah, not quite a spoonful. It'll start to become foggy, but that's alright. Now, at this part, you can taste test your mixture when you stir it thoroughly. As you can see, I'm stirring it very thoroughly. Okay, you can try your concoction now. Okay, you just take a little bit. As you can see, it's very good. Yeah, okay. Now what we need to add is the pepper.
Because this is Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, you know what? This doesn't have enough sugar in it because I just tasted it. We might need another spoon, or we could just dry it off with this. No, let's just dry your spoon off.
I am his assistant. I do cleaning.
Yeah, he's cleaning and stuff. So we need a spoonful. Another couple spoonfuls because it's very
salty.
Very salty. I think I put too much salt. We need the sugar and some more water to come.
I'm sorry, but did you just say confiscate?
So, if Alex, my assistant, you could pour some water in. while I stir. Just a little bit, so it's like, yeah, there. Good. So, yeah, warning, don't put that much salt in, or it'll taste horrible. Just stir it until it's clear and not foggy anymore. Or as you can see, I'm stirring very thoroughly. Just stir as hard as you can, but make sure it doesn't splash out. Well, it just splashed out a little bit, but that's all right. That's okay. It's almost all dissolved. And now, once it starts to actually taste better, we're gonna try our concoction again. All right, it's great. It's great. It's all right, but when we add the flavoring and stuff, it'll taste better. Trust me. All right, so we need the pepper. This type of pepper. It doesn't have to be exact serial number, but it has to be this type of pepper. Yes, that is a piece of paper. That's paper, but you know what? Just put that in there for extra flavor. You know what? Let's put that in there first. Let's just stir it around.
It says doctor on it, so it's doctor.
Yeah, it's Dr. Pepper. So, just kind of crush it.
It's like when your mom puts like leaves and stuff into your soup or something.
Right, there we go. So that's thoroughly stirred inside of there. So now we actually have to add the pepper. Because it's Dr. Pepper, you can't have not pepper. So just kind of wing it. Just add a little bit. You know what, just kind of add a lot. Well, it's Dr. Pepper, so. There you go. We'll stir it until the pepper is all gone. You know, Alex, yeah, you can put the food coloring in right now if you want. Make sure it's edible, obviously. Just get it as close to brown as possible. Oh, that actually looks brown. I thought that looked like red. Okay, that's enough. Go add extra flavor. Actually, I think you need yeah, it's a little small. I think you need a little bit more though.
My filming setup is ruined.
Oh well. That's alright.
Oh well, I can just flip it.
That's alright. So add more food coloring to hide inconsistencies because it looks very bad right now. And it's supposed to do that. You just add more food coloring so people actually want to drink it. Like so it actually looks plausible to drink. Yeah, I messed up a few times, so this is definitely gonna be
Dr.
voiceover.
Peppery.
It's gonna be very Dr. Peppery. Now, as you can see, it looks absolutely disgusting, but it's alright. It's alright. You make sure to spill. You know what? You have to like. Oh, that's the paper. You have to like actually spill a little bit on purpose. Okay. So make sure you actually spill a little bit because it will be better for your health. Now stir it thoroughly. Yeah, you have to stir it so much that it kind of spills out because this is a horrible thing. But okay, now once you done it thoroughly, make sure you take your recording set, which you're recording it from, and then rip a piece off of it. Well, actually, no, don't do that. Never mind, I forgot. It doesn't do that. All right, so now stir it. It's very well. It's very. You know what? Just keep on stirring. You know what? Assistant Alex, keep on stirring it. I'm gonna go get something for extra flavor. Alright, got the little extra. Make sure you get Reeds. This is optional, but it. Alright, got the little extra. Make sure you get Reeds. This is optional, but it's not sponsored by the way. But it makes it taste better. So get some.
I'll have to paint over that. I'll paint that.
Yeah. Oh, I just dropped it, but put it in there. And just kind of stir it. Try to kind of crush it. Kind of try to crush it. Kind of try to crush crush it if you can. If it doesn't crush, well then too bad. You'll just have a full Ritz thing in there. Just as you can see, they float, which is not very good. But okay, you know what? Just put some more. Alright, just put some more. This went off the rails. Just stir it a little bit more. One false out. That's all right. Just make sure they're not crushing for some reason. So just kind of like make sure you stir them in thoroughly. Right there. Now just kind of crush it. Crush all the little Reese's things. Oh, ew, it's on me. Okay, just wash. Yeah, okay. Our concoction is almost ready. You know what? We need to add a little bit more Reese or whatever they're called. All right, just put all of them in there. You know what? Just put the whole bag in there. Just put the whole thing. All right, stir it thoroughly. Stir it through. I think we put in too much water, but that's all right. Kind of crush them all in there. And now our concoction is complete. Now you are ready to drink it. Now I'm totally gonna drink it. I totally drank a little bit of it. All right, that's how you make pop. All right, goodbye.